Hi y'all, welcome to my shop. Got a couple of quick tips on the bandsaw. If you're turning green wood, you want to be very careful. I just got one of the biggest Bradford pears, piece of Bradford pears I've ever seen. It's 20 inches across. Green wood will have a tendency to catch at any little opportunity. This little port designed to help with the dust collection, but it does catch these strands because when you're ripping really big pieces, and these were massive, you get a lot of strings that tend to catch. Another thing, if you got a grid inside your dust collecting hose opening, you want to get rid of that. And keep a little chip brush. I cut the bristles back to make it a little stiffer, and just clean it off. Otherwise, it's liable to jam up. Now, up underneath here, usually there's some kind of dust shield, but all I find is it just collects wet shavings and tends to gum up in the bearing. So I keep it open and sacrifice just a little bit on the dust collection efficiency, but I can see where it is very easily, and then just come in there periodically and just wipe that stuff away with a brush. Now, some bandsaws have a little brush in the back, a little sweep, and that's a handy thing. If yours doesn't have one, you can fabricate one some kind of way, maybe with a toothbrush or a chip brush or something. Mine came with it, but that's a handy thing because that helps keep it clean. You get a lot of dust collecting into here too. And then down at the bottom, of course, it builds up. I've got a lower dust collection spout. It builds up down here as well. So you got to manually clean this. You just can't expect your dust collection system to pick all this. I got a longer video on my dust collector. Sucks. You might check that out. Y'all come back here.